we have a problem. We are running out of caregivers. People in affluent neighborhoods that are afraid of buses and trains, listen closely and share this with anyone that's in those areas. Henry Mason, CEO of Precious Hospice, we have a problem. We are running out of caregivers. And you all, especially you seniors that are saying, I don't want buses, I don't want public transportation in my neighborhood. You, in the next 2 to 3 years, mark my words, are gonna have the biggest problem you've ever seen in your life because you will not have anyone to help take care of you. Let me be very clear when I say this. This is not 10 years ago. When we started our hospice 10 years ago, it was completely different. Families were there, they were taking care of each other. These kids nowadays, I'm not gonna say want nothing to do with their parents because it's not true, but they wanna live their own lives. It's not like how you all grew up and you bring your grandma in your house, you bring your mom in your house and you take care of everybody. It's not like that anymore. They want you out. And if they do want you in, I don't mean it in a bad way, but they do, they want you out. They wanna live their own lives. And if they do want you in, they have to bring in caregivers. You're gonna have to have caregivers to take care of you. Without having public transportation, the cost of living is gone so high that these people will not be able to actually get to you. You'd have to have live-in people, which again, if they have families, that's not gonna work for them. So this is what you need to do. You heard it here first. You need to start talking about and figuring out how to get public transportation in your communities. Buses, trains, shared Uber rides. I don't care what it is. But if you don't do something quickly, you will not be able to have caregivers in your community. Number 2, your hospitals that you go to and that you trust and that you love, for whatever reason, they're not gonna have CNAs. They're not gonna have med techs. Because if you live in some of these areas that people cannot get there, even if they're paid to be there all day long and they're not driving from place to place, they will not be able to do that consistently. You need to be aware of this. This is a huge problem. And I understand it. You don't want people in your neighborhood. You think they're gonna rob. You think all these things. It's completely ridiculous. Most crimes are happening because of proximity, not people that come to your area, people that already lived in your area. People who molest people are done by people who already live in the area. Normally your aunt, your uncle, your auntie, whatever. So you need to get this out of your head that you believe that these people are gonna come and harm you. Actually, you're gonna do more harm to yourself than they ever will. They are actually here to help you. They wanna help you, they wanna love on you. But you have to quickly go talk to your city councilors, go talk to your mayors. If you're, and I'm gonna say this, these areas in Atlanta, up north, out south, you all don't want public transportation, you're gonna be taking care of yourself. You're gonna have to be your own CNA. Your kids are gonna have to be your CNAs, and they're not gonna wanna do it. Just give me your thoughts in the comments, and if you need help reaching out to your mayors, let me know.